In this video, we're going to solve an equation and it involves using like terms. So if we have a problem like this that says solve for y, 3y minus y equals 8. So the first step is to combine like terms. And we know that like terms have the same variable name. So these two have the same variable name, okay? So they are like terms. These two are like terms. So step 2, to subtract like terms, subtract their coefficients. So let's write the equation again. 3y minus y equals 8. And for this term, the coefficient is 3. And for this one, y is the same as 1y, so the coefficient is 1. So now we subtract the coefficients, right? 3y minus 1y equals 2y, right? 3y minus 1y is 2y. That's what we have when we subtract those. So now let's rewrite the equation with this answer. 2y equals 8. So what we did was we just simplified this side. This side is now 2y. Okay, 2y equals 8. Now isolate y by dividing both sides by 2. Okay, so we're dividing by 2 and these two cancel out, right? 2 over 2 just cancels itself out, just equals to 1. So we're left with y equals 4. And that's how you do that problem. It's not very difficult. If you need more help, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. And also you could just rewatch the video. That's always a good solution. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have a link to this exact lesson. You could follow along as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.